The smoke alarm is sounding on, and I only had been in the shower. I just barely took a shower, and the process of knowing for the shower, and that's my spongy, because there's not enough light. There we go, my spongy. I've taken a shower, and the process of knowing. If we get told that well, don't adjust, it doesn't move, but the whole thing comes off for some reason, because, and so there's no, is that supposed to happen? Because if it was a way to adjust the water or something, see, so processing on, that's in the water pipe. That's a shower. Took a shower, and so I have things to wash myself with, but yeah, it doesn't adjust. It just screws on the pipe. That's supposed to happen from last year, because then it doesn't adjust anything. It's oh, so when there's no fire, it only sounds on with the smoke alarm, and there's no fire, and the water is there's no fire. Hey, garbage truck driver! Do you know how to stop the smoke alarm from the hot water for the shower? I don't see no fireman that arrives for the fucking reason. It keeps sounding on. Do you all hear it? It's only from the hot water. That's kind of weird, huh? It's a Power 37. I use them words, not noises. Garbage truck driver, try not to make noises. Use words. It's the smoke alarm. You all hear it? That's obnoxious, huh? The smoke alarm makes noise. Can we stop the noise? How? There's no fire. There's no fire. It's from the hot water in the shower. Huh? Maybe it's a ghost.